fun day and keep smiling. Today we're going to be opening my toy kitchen set. It's going to be really fun, really cool, and really exciting. So it says Fashion Kitchen, and there's water, wow, white, and sound. Cool. I am excited to open this, so let's get to it. So we have 36 accessories, and let's see what accessories are there. While unboxed, let's unbox this mega gigantic thing.
Okay, let me help you out with it.
You love me. Are you ready? So you never have to leave her beside me. And I know. And I need you. So now let's take out all the stuff. This small bit. So we're going to keep this as a model. We can copy the picture and assemble our kitchen here. So that won't be that complicated. So this is a menu, like it also comes with real chalk and a duster. We can write down whatever is on sale to eat in this restaurant today. So we have the pot and pan, a stove, very big for the kitchen, menu with chalk and a duster. And where does the music and sound come from? Oh, we have to put batteries inside.
Let me put the batteries for you.
Okay. Take a turn. How professional Mama makes this.
Oh yeah.
Mama, the shrimp prawns. I'm going to write what is on the menu and I'm going to serve.
Yeah.
Really?
So then,
This is a real kitchen.
okay.
I want to try first.
Done.
Okay.
But we will have to fix it here. So it goes like this. See, do you see?
Yeah. Did it. We did it. We did it.
Now
We did it. 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 Yay! We did it. We did it. We did it. Did it. Did it. We did it. All right, everybody.
so now we will have
Now
to
the back
fix.
side.
Yeah.
This one. Parts.
Yep. The next thing is the top.
The top. I'm trying to try.
Yes, it goes.
So satisfying.
Yep. Did it.
see that. This part is for the hanging the utensils. Next. It's very complicated.
Nah, it's not complicated.
You're already in instructions. You're already in instructions.
See,
What?
this goes at the bottom.
At the very bottom. Oh.
Here.
Here. There. Here. This is where the sink goes. This is where the sink goes.
This is where the, not the sink,
Not
tap.
the sink.
Tap goes here.
Oh, not the sink.
We have actually fixed all the bigger pieces.
Yeah, but now we need to get these pieces so that we can fix here. Some parts.
Okay.
So good I see. Hello, I'm Mrs. Ayra.
So here
Here, we
it
need
goes
to put
like
here.
this.
Gimme. I want to do the board. Wait,
Yeah.
maybe it's supposed to go in the front here. Try that.
Oh yeah, you're right. See here. It's supposed to go in front. You found.
Yay! See, I told you you're the professional at fixing things and building things and everything things. Because a thingy thing is a thing.
What is that? Thing is a thing.
Because thingy thing is a thing. Egg wood. Inside out. Favorite. And my favorite. Shrimp.
Yeah.
This is my favorite shrimp.
What about stickers? We haven't.
Stickers. And we'll do that last.
Okay. No.
Next sticker goes where mayor. Because you're the mayor of the whole town. Can I stick the next sticker?
I'll stick it.
Can I?
You can stick the smaller one. So see,
Wait.
this one, this portion you can stick here. This portion
Okay.
you can stick here. But make sure you stick straight. Okay.
Okay.
You're good at this.
Because I'm the professional sticker. You're Sir Papa. Hello, Sir Papa. Thank you for building my kitchen.
You're most welcome.
Not completely done. Looks like unfinished
Now
house.
the last one is milk.
Yes.
Where is milk?
The bowl has a sad face.
What is this? Is it a hot plate or what?
It's a carrot.
Carrot?
Yeah. Doesn't it look familiar?
I know. I thought that's a hot plate.
A hot plate? Doesn't that even make sense?
Here.
Glass goes here. Because it obviously goes there. Yeah, we can play! So our kitchen set is all done. It looks very amazing with all the stuff and how it's built. It's very simple, very easy. fun. So this one sounds like boiling water, and this one sounds like it's frying something like egg. Oh, it's really like frying an egg. So here I have to fill water here, and then water comes out of the tap. So we also have a menu list. We can write what's on sale today for food, and then the person can order by menu. I hope you enjoyed this fashion kitchen set assembling video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye everybody!